So HerMeS is a musical lecture series in collaboration, the Cultural Heritage Studies and the Center for Arts and Culture. Both the department and the center likes combining academics with art and music. And I think that Romani music is very, very special in Hungary. And it is very interesting that we are not only talking about the origins, but also the contemporary interpretations as well.
HerMeS is bringing together things which seems to be far from each other. Traditional Romani music, so-called gypsy music, what we may meet much more in a restaurant, and classical music and training and teaching.
I wanted to show the Rajko method because this is my main theme of my dissertation. This is a very special teaching method, what I'm using in piano teaching too. What is the Rajko method? This is a musical training for talented Romani children from the basic to the stage performance. One pillar is study from hand. The second thing is the early music studying. The third pillar of Rajko method is regular concert opportunity. This is very important. The Rajko orchestra played every day somewhere.